In this video, we are going to see how to create links in PowerPoint. If you already know, then you don't have to watch this video. But if you're having some confusion, then you can watch this video. First, you create your card, then edit all your details. I'm just zooming it. Change all this, email, contact, all this. Once you are done with your card, next step is creation of link. For that, first you need to go to either insert, then shapes, or in home button also, most probably you will have this shape option. So I'm going to insert, then go to shape, then click, and you can see various shapes. Click a rectangular shape. Here you can see rectangle. Click on that. And now draw a rectangle on top of one link. Hold your mouse, then slowly drag, then move to right. So you can see now it filled the icon and the text. So we are going to create a link on this area, this shaded area. We are going to create a link. Understand? We are not creating link to this text. We are creating a link to this shape, the entire shape. If you don't want the entire shape to be linked, then you can limit it to the icon like this. But for convenience, I am using the entire shape so that it will be easy for others to touch and contact you. Now, click on this shape. Next step, in some PowerPoint, you can right click, and you can see an option for link. In some cases, that won't be there. In that case, go to insert, then choose link. Here, move down and you can see insert link option. If you find these two difficult, the next step you can do is you can go to the search and type link. Then you can see add a hyperlink. Click on that. These are the three methods you can add link to. First, let me copy a link so that it will be easy. I'm going to use my WhatsApp link. Remember to copy the appropriate link. Okay, now I will repeat again. First, select the shape that you have placed over your text. This is a website one, but I am pasting another link here. Okay, anyway, I'll paste the website link itself so there won't be any confusion. First, click on this shape. Then either click this link or link from the home tab or link from the right click or link that you get while searching. So when you type in the search, you can see add a hyperlink. Remember, before that you need this shape to be selected. Add a hyperlink. Then here in the address, you paste the hyperlink. Right click and paste or Ctrl and V in Windows computer. Once you have pasted the link, click OK. Now it is linked. Now repeat the same process with other icons. Create another shape. For that, go to insert, then shape, then cover this area. Then again go to insert, link, go down, insert link, and type your link here. Click OK. Make sure you are copying the correct link. For ease of saving, I'm just using the same link. Okay, now we have hyperlinked these two. Same way you can repeat wherever you want link to be created. Now If you give this card, definitely this will be clickable, but the text below this is not readable and the card won't look nice. For that, we need to remove this one, this color, but we need this shape to be there in a hidden format. Let us see how to make this invisible. For that, different options are there. Either right click, then you can see fill and outline option. Second option, you can select this, then go to shape format. In this one, you can see shape fill and shape outline, or you can go to home tab and you can see shape fill and shape outline. So I'm going to use this shape format, so I'm clicking on that. Now first you remove the inner fill. For that, click shape fill, make it no fill. Now we have a border, we need to remove that. I will show the border. See, you can see a border over here. You need to remove that border. For that, keep it selected, then click shape outline and choose no outline. Now that is invisible. See, there is no border, but still the link is there. It will be clickable when you convert to PDF. Similar way you repeat on the other shapes. Once everything is done, save it, then convert it into PDF. This way you will be able to add hyperlinks to your PDF card. This method you can use to add hyperlink anywhere you like. If you want to add a hyperlink over your photo, the same method you can follow. Insert a circular shape, hyperlink it, then make it invisible. Depending on your PowerPoint version, slight variations will be there, but there won't be major variations. Please try it yourself and see if you are able to create links. Thank you all for watching.